Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. I have a haul to share with you guys. This is coming from our girl Scrap Diva Designs. Look at the back of this. It says opening this package will cause extreme happiness. I don't doubt it, girl. Erica, thank you so much for my order. Oh my gosh, this came so quick, you guys. This was so fast. I just placed this order last week and it's here already. Like middle of the week, and I got it already. Thank you so much, Erica. You know, I said I wasn't gonna do it. And then I saw her new dies and I had to cave. I caved because it was such a cute die. Look at this. Oh my god. Thank goodness she still had some of the words. Thank goodness she had the scissors still. Oh my gosh. Here's some more of the words. Look at her little, she's too cute. Oh my gosh. Okay, let me see. Okay, we're good. This one says, hello, crafty friend. Oh my gosh, Alicia just used this on my card. She just used it on the card she sent me. Look at this. Hello, crafty friend. It's such a cute die. I love the font that she chose. So cute. But yes, I can't wait to put these onto like cards and memory decks cards. Oh my gosh. This is the one. Okay, guys, mind you, I shared a video earlier a while back where I try to use my Cricut to make these words so that I could use it with like my foam and all that stuff. I was trying to save some bucks. Well, mind you, I could not figure out how to get the foam to cut all the way through. So every time I take it off and I try to take the words apart from the main part, it would just rip. So I caved. I got the dies. Thank you, Jesus, that she still had it, because oh my gosh, her font too, just beautiful. This one is Happy Mail, Crafty. Oh gosh, what does that one say? Crafty something, Crafty Girl. Paper Hugs, cute and crafty. I try to make all of these with my Cricut. You can cut the words out with the Cricut, but if you want to do it, you can cut it out on regular cardstock and on all that. But to do it with the foam, which is what I was trying to do on my Cricut, it was not successful. And she has hashtag crafty life. This one says hugs. This one says create. So I so appreciate her, oh my gosh, having this and the style that she chose. So yeah, and then when she did her little premiere with her new die set, this is the hot glue gun die, I had to jump on it. I mean, there was no way I was not going to have this. Oh, look at this. It says, thank you. Your business means the world to me. Loving your purchase. Tag me on social media, Instagram. Yes, girl, you know I'm going to tag you. And she's got this memory decks. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to do this. This one's gonna be cute. Yes, yes. I finally got the scissors so I can add this one. This is the now wait a minute. Oh, I was gonna say it's missing some parts. Nope, here it is. This is her tote, and I have the mini tote from KS Craft, the mini craft tote. This one, this Mama Jamma, is freaking huge. It is at the widest part 5.5 inches, and it is, oh, it's about 4.5 tall. And then Christian and Erica both created a 3-dimensional crafty bag with this, so I'm super excited to get into this and also create this one into a memory decks. Can you imagine? Oh my god, it's gonna be ginormous. You're gonna have to create a new bigger memory decks holder. Well, anyways, Erica, oh my gosh, I've always loved your channel. I've loved all the dies that you selected. I'm super happy and not surprised that your business is dies, because you are the queen of die cuts, girl. Thank you so much for my order, and getting it so super quick is always a blessing. So thank you, everybody. Go check out Erica Scrap Diva Designs and Scrap Diva 29 on YouTube and Instagram. She is always posting every day. She always posts a video of either hauls, dies, crafting, projects that she's working on, and she's on design teams. This girl, she has, oh my God, I can't stop chatting, but she's awesome. So I'll see you all on the next video. Don't forget to check her out. I'll link her down below. Bye guys.